Hello and welcome. Today we will be making the ultimate Filipino breakfast, Pandesal. And we will be making it for 3 different variations, one plain, one Malunggay, and one make your own version. So let's not make it any longer. Here are the ingredients that you will need. In making your Pandesal, you will need 2 cups flour, 1 tablespoon yeast, 3 tablespoons sugar, 2 teaspoon melted butter, 1/2 cup milk, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and breadcrumbs. First, prepare your milk. Give your egg a little mix and add it to your milk. Next, pour in your melted butter. Next is your sugar. Give it a mix. Then add the yeast. Stir it a little bit. Cover it and let it rise for 10 minutes. In a mixing bowl, add your flour and salt. Mix it and make a well in the middle. When the yeast is ready, pour it in your mixing bowl. Set your mixer in a low speed. You can also do this by hand. Mix the dough for 8 to 10 minutes until it forms a dough. Now we are ready to knead. Since we use the mixer, we don't want to over knead our dough, so we only knead for a couple of minutes. Flour your workplace where you will be kneading. What you will do is to push, fold, and turn. Put butter on the bowl where your dough will rise. Cover it and rise for an hour. Once it has doubled its size, we are ready to cut it. Form a log and cut it into small pieces. Make it an oblong shape and roll it in your breadcrumbs. Bake this for 20 minutes in a 180 degrees Celsius temperature. For your malunggay pandesal, you will need 2 cups flour, 1 tablespoon yeast, 3 tablespoon sugar, 2 teaspoon melted butter, 1/2 cup milk, 1/2 teaspoon salt, coarsely chopped malunggay, and breadcrumbs. Add egg in your milk. Followed by melted butter, and sugar. Lastly, add yeast and mix. Cover it and let it rise for 10 minutes. When the yeast is ready, pour it in your flour and salt mixture. When it's all combined, put in your malunggay and mix it again. When the dough is ready, flour your workplace and knead. Push, fold, and turn. Butter your bowl and cover it. Rise for an hour. Once it has doubled its size, we are ready to cut it. Form a log and cut it into small pieces. Make it an oblong shape and roll in your breadcrumbs. Bake this for 20 minutes in a 180 degrees Celsius temperature. For the chocolate pandesal, you will need 1 cup milk, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 of cocoa powder. If you're using unsweetened cocoa powder, you will need to add 1/3 cup of sugar, 2.5 cups of flour, and 1/2 teaspoon salt, 3 tablespoons melted butter, lastly, breadcrumbs. Add egg to your milk, followed by melted butter and sugar. Then your yeast. And cover it. Rise for 10 minutes. In a separate bowl, add in your flour and salt. Add in your sifted cocoa powder and sugar. Mix until all is incorporated together. When the yeast is ready, pour it in the dry ingredients and mix it at a low speed for 8 to 10 minutes. Flour your workplace. Knead the dough for a few minutes so we don't over-knead it. Butter your bowl and cover it. Let it rise for an hour. Once it has doubled its size, we are ready to cut it. Flatten the dough and scoop in your salted caramel and chocolate filling. Seal it in the bottom and roll it in the breadcrumbs. Bake this for 20 minutes in a 180 degrees Celsius temperature. You can now enjoy your pandesal 3 ways. Thanks for watching!